That way. That down. Let's turn on. Deep. 4. Here go. Turn on. Okay, this one. Look! And turn on this washing. That way it's stainless. That way it's done. That way it's ready. And this one? Wow. It's good now. If we can water, that we get into the water. Now we hit this thing and get it. We have to wash it. We have to wash it in there. That way, open the lid. And we want to wash this pipe. Let's wash it. And with the sponge. Let's put it a sponge. Over sponge the pipe. We have to wait empty the stone. If we give in and then wait. Can you see? Look, in my phone says 33 to that. You get one wash. And we can panty. Oh, soaking wet. Panty. That way now. Let's see, okay? Wow, look at the water. And we get this to know. Now we're done. Because it will not. It will not good. Looks like it. This is my lovely washing machine. This is the poster. The poster. Is this poster? It's a washing there. Look, we put the pipe in there and this with pulleys. We put the pipe in here. We see the pipe in here. We see the pipe in there. There's a pipe. What's that there? There's a pipe, right? There's a triangle out there. There's 2 triangles in there. 6 count. 60! Sorry. Can you get me done? No, you get to me. We had a road. Look, the road is like that. So you were Look at that, wash it.
What are we doing?
Huh?
What are we doing?
I'm living to the wash here.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's round in. It's again. It looks like a pebble. Let's do that again. He's spinning like this. That wasted. That was the red one. Is it to the wall? That's so what, dirty? That one's so dirty, right?
Yes.
That's true. Hold it. So, please. We're doing that way.
Stop it.
Okay, let's stop it.
Mm.
And tweak later.
Okay.
Next.
Thank you.